Acne can be treated at home with natural remedies or by prescription and over-the-counter medicine. One good home remedy for acne is Manuka honey. Let's take a closer look at Manuka honey and how it helps in treating acne. We will also discuss the best ways to use it to prevent and get rid of acne and acne scars. So stay tuned to the end. Manuka honey is an expensive high medicinal value honey from New Zealand. It is a low pH nutrient-rich natural product containing amino acids, vitamins, minerals and fructose and glucose sugars. Manuka honey also contains two very effective antibacterial compounds, hydrogen peroxide and methylglyoxal, which help with healing of acne. Manuka honey not only treats acne but also removes dead cells to keep skin clean and smooth. It also balances the pH of skin. Anti-inflammatory property of Manuka honey can reduce local inflammation caused by acne. And its antibacterial properties keep the pores free of bacteria to prevent acne. Manuka honey can also treat existing acne for the same antibacterial capabilities. It also accelerates wound healing as a result of its high sugar contents to prevent acne scars. In addition, Manuka honey also helps soften the skin due to its emollient properties. Always buy medicinal grade Manuka honey from a reputed source made in New Zealand for most effective uses. Check the labels for the UMF, unique Manuka factor, and OMA, organic Manuka active, above 15 and MgO, methylglyoxal, higher than 250. You can apply Manuka honey directly on acne with a cotton swab and leave it there. Repeat it twice daily. It can also be used as a cleanser and a mask to prevent acne. Remove your makeup and apply a few drops of Manuka honey on your face. Massage your face gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse your skin and pat it dry with a towel. You can make a mask of Manuka honey and lemon or just honey alone. Keep it on the skin and remove after 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing it off. Bottom line is, Manuka honey is good for acne due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory capabilities. It can be used to prevent and treat acne and scars. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.